Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 29th. We are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not your financial advisor. Yeah, I'm not your financial advisor. So please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla had just a sideways day today. So we closed up at $3.75, 0.48%. We closed at 781.31. Post-market, we seem to be down a little bit. Yeah, not surprised. So we are really into this congestion zone between 765 and 800. So for those who want to sell covered calls from 800 and up, you can try to do that, assuming that things won't change before Friday. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Today we had green candles starting the day, so it seemed like we were going back towards 800, but then was squished back down for the next 2 hours. Then it took us an hour to recover a little bit. Then green candle here, and then we touched this channel resistance that we have over here. So this is the channel resistance that we have had. So this is further confirming that this is a really significant resistance, because we are touching it last hour, next to last hour, and even before. Look at this, we are touching it all over the place. So this is telling me that we are in a congestion zone. But if we look at if we look at the hourly chart, we are in a upward channel on the hourly chart. Once you do one support line, well, you can always duplicate it and you will find its resistance. And so we are into this ascending triangles. It's not impossible that we cross this tomorrow. Stochastic is very low. I'm not expecting something too big unless things change. Let's go back to the daily chart. So from a daily chart perspective, it's sideways action. Stochastic is at 80. RSI, nothing special to mention on the other ones. So let's just stay put. The big catalyst, as I am mentioning, is going to be this weekend for the production report of Tesla. This is going to be interesting to see what is happening. So maybe the stock will just stay put until then. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member of this channel. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link if you want a discount on TradingView. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.